As you see, Flash has traveled a lot of miles to get here.
Miles.
Stop. And has never given up on this travel. So he flies
So he flies.
down the stairs. Shush. No, tell everybody shut up.
Huh?
Tell everybody shut up.
Shut up.
And he flies.
He flies.
No, that you're the person who you told him to shut up. Who are you then? And the bird flies over on the tree. And lands.
They fly on trees. They have to be on trees.
All he knows is there's a bird right beside him, that red bird, and he goes and attacks. You're supposed to fight that.
God, birds don't fly.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
And he shows where his territory is, and he tries to peck him. He pecks him in the ground.
You don't pick big birds up.
Birds beat each other up.
No, they don't. Go ask Mama.
Hold this. Hold this. And film the tree.
Ow, don't come down here.
Now give me her phone. Give me her phone.
There's a cat. Over there. It's over there. Get it.
I ain't going worry. And he flies over. He finds the string to pull down on. So he pulls it down for the other tree to get on. Put the bird right there. And all of a sudden, no, on the tree. On the right here. Put it right here. And
Go up there.
and he watches him up in the air and goes in to peck him.
They don't fight.
And then
Go ask Mama, did they fight?
I just did.
Go ask them again.
And he brings the tree down for the bird to grab.
He just made the sail.
Grab the bird. Bird, grab. Make the bird grab this. He grabs it. You got it?
Yeah.
Now hold on to it. And the bird does teamwork. Because Flash
I
has
want to get it.
no power. Oh, fly.
Go kill that cat.
I can't.
You do have the baby girl in that name. Get it. Just shoot it. It comes with wood.
Brandon, grab those leaves off.
What was?
Those leaves.
But put it down.
And pull
Put
this
that-
down. Grab that. Okay, don't let go. And the bird peels all the leaves off. Now let go. Let go. And the tree has shooken Flash, and it's shaking him back and forth. But he's holding on. The tree stops. Pull that string again. Pull it, hard, hard, hard. Now let go. And it goes all crazy. That cat's gone. Oh no, he's coming. Hurry! I know. Come on, he's coming.
What?
Come on.
Cat?
Yeah.
No. What cat?
The cat that you just saw that you told me to.
Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the No. Don't see. We were sneaking up. He might use. Is he? That's how I know he's coming.
It to be continued.